So in an effort to bring you guys more design ideas that you can incorporate into Belize, into Secret Beach, or really anywhere if you wanted to, the idea would be to take inspiration from existing designs and reconfigure them so that they match the concept and basically the design and the functionality of the Secret Beach area, or the Belize area, or wherever you wanted to maybe build an elevated beach house. So what we did was we took this concept here. You sort of have a modern shed style. It could be an ADU, an accessory dwelling unit, or it may be considered a tiny home. But what we like the facade, we like the design, and so what we did was we added a little bit of extra features and we elevated it up like this. We added a wraparound deck. We took the garage out and added an additional glass door or sliding door, and elevated it up on piers. So that would fit really the Secret Beach area or Belize in general, and give it sort of a more beachy sort of feel. Here's the floor plan. And on the original floor plan, you have a garage here on the left. But what we did was we took that out, and you could turn that into, you could sort of expand your living and kitchen area. You could add another bedroom or bathroom. There's a lot of ways to add space to this, but this was the original design here as a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with a garage. But we kind of changed that around, as you can see here, to be an elevated house with extra living space. So we like to take different design ideas and incorporate them with the Belize functionality and the Secret Beach area style, and change things around and customize things. So if you have any interest in stuff like this, please reach out to us. We're happy to help you.